Imagine waking up one day, checking your bank balance, and realizing you're broke. Again, despite earning decently, you have no savings, no investments, and no clue where your money went. Sound familiar? If yes, stick around. Because in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to teach you how to budget like a pro using the legendary 50-30-20 rule. A simple yet powerful method that will completely transform your financial life. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Budgeting sounds boring, right? Like, why should I track my expenses when I can just wing it? Well, here's why. Not budgeting is like trying to drive blindfolded. You don't know where you're going, and sooner or later, you're going to crash.
Now let's dive into the first major section. The foundation of budgeting.
Why budgeting is crucial, the wake-up call. Let's start with a tough question. How much money have you wasted in the past year on things you didn't even need? Swiggy orders? Unused gym memberships? Those Waiwella weekend trips? Here's a fact. 78% of young adults in India live paycheck to paycheck. If that's you, don't worry. It's not your fault. No one taught us how to manage money in school. But here's the scary part. If you don't take control now, you might end up stuck in a cycle of financial struggle for decades.
But hey, if you love the thrill of living on the edge, maybe budgeting isn't for you. I mean, who doesn't love the adrenaline rush of checking their bank balance on the 25th? The good news. There's a way out. A proven system that simplifies money management. The 50-30-20 rule.
Mastering the 50-30-20 rule, the game changer. The 50-30-20 rule is a financial equivalent of a balanced diet. It works like this. 50% for needs, rent, groceries, bills, essentials. 30% for wants, shopping, entertainment, dining out. 20% for savings and investments. Future you will thank you. Sounds simple, right? But let's break it down further because what you think are needs might actually be wants.
And here's where most people get it wrong. They think they're following the rule, but they're actually sabotaging their financial future. Let me explain.
Here's the classic mistake. Thinking that upgrading from a budget phone to the latest iPhone is a need. Spoiler alert, it's not. Let's redefine these categories with real-world examples. Need, paying for your Wi-Fi so you can work. Want, getting Netflix because, well, entertainment. Need, buying nutritious groceries. Want, ordering Zomato thrice a day because cooking is too much work. The problem? Lifestyle inflation. The moment your income increases. So do your expenses. You're not earning more. You're just spending more.
Basically, it's like putting water in a leaky bucket and wondering why it's never full. Now let's move to the most powerful part of the rule. The 20% savings and investment strategy.
Saving money is not enough. If your money is sitting in a savings account earning 3% interest while inflation is at 6%, congratulations. You're losing money. Here's what you should do instead. Emergency fund, at least 6 months of expenses. Investing, SIPs and index funds, gold, and ETFs. Debt repayment. If you have high interest debt, clear it ASAP. Now, let's address the biggest fear people have. What if I don't earn enough to follow this rule?
Most people believe they can't budget because they don't earn enough. But in reality, that's the exact reason why you must budget. Let me show you why.
Making the 50-30-20 rule work for you. The success formula. Think budgeting is only for rich people? Let me introduce you to broke but budgeting. A strategy that works even if you earn 20,000 Indian rupees a month. Here's the trick. Adjust the percentages based on your situation. Cut down on unnecessary wants. Find ways to increase your income. Freelancing, side hustles, investing. You don't need a 6-figure salary to budget. You just need discipline.
Because let's be honest, you can't out-earn bad money habits.
Following this rule consistently will get you peace of mind, no more end-of-month panic. Financial security, enough savings to handle emergencies. Wealth accumulation, a path to financial independence. But here's the catch. Most people start budgeting and then quit after a month.
So, how do you stick to the plan and make sure you don't give up? I'll tell you.
Here's what works. Automate your savings and investments. Use budgeting apps like Enab or Money Manager. Have an accountability partner, a friend or mentor. At the end of the day, budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about freedom. The freedom to live life on your terms without financial stress.
If you want to dive deeper into fixing your finances, watch Broke at 30. Fix your finances now and build wealth in your 20s. FinCraftology. I'll teach you how to go from financial struggle to financial success step by step. Remember, the best time to start budgeting was yesterday. The next best time, right now. See you in the next video.